What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today do something a little different. So today we're going to be installing these Domino Racing Grips. Of course, I had to go with yellow to get little yellow hints on the bike. So when you're looking at these two, the bigger one with the insert here is for your throttle, and the smaller one's just for your stationary side. So I've seen a lot of videos on these and I've seen people just cutting the grip, which I probably will do. I just have to get these bar ends off and we'll get right to it. So I went to go move this to bring it outside today and I'm like, man, something's going on with my suspension, blah, blah, blah. I couldn't move it. Here's the lovely culprit of why my rear tire had 0 pounds in it. You just gotta love it. You know, life just constantly throws everything at you. What in the world? Are you serious? As much as I love these bar end mirrors, I just think the bike looks so good without them. Suzuki, come on now. Come on, like look at that. No bar ends, and oh God, looks great. So I don't know how well this is going to cut through this. So I'm gonna clean some of this goo off. We'll be right back. What's going on, guys? So we're back. It's a new day. It's Easter. Hope everybody had a great Easter. Finally got the grips on here. I think it looks great with the yellow at the bottom and hence they have just some in the front and stuff. I honestly love it. Turned out very, very nice. I didn't put my bar ends back on because I'm still kind of in the middle of trying to get new ones. Just the big fender bar ends, just really, I don't know, they're not really doing it for me. They're just kind of big and bulky and in the way. As you can see, Florida really treated my bike great with all this rust and stuff. I'm gonna wash the bike down, get some new tires on it, because as I said before, we had a nail in there, but thankfully my stepdad gave me a tire plug and we're good to go. We got tires on the way, bar ends on the way, a cleanup and a rust removal. Be sure to stick around, we got a lot of stuff coming up, and we'll see you on the flip side. Peace.